Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1967 Austin Healey 3000 Mark III BJ-8 sports convertible. It's finished in its original color of ice blue or Healey blue, navy blue interior, four-speed overdrive, wire wheels, heater, adjustable steering, Ambla interior, luggage rack. So this is full North American specification. We purchased this car recently from Florida, and really good body on this car. It's a super good car for restoration. It comes with a rebuilt engine. We just started it up today, so we've got the video there of the engine running. Super strong, healthy running engine with crystal clear oil, so we know that's just been rebuilt, and that's a great start to getting this car back on the road. So let's take a little walk around on this car. I've got the hood propped open here because I just don't want it to catch. We've been having a little bit of an adjustment issue there, but it does fit really well. Let me see if I can get it down a little better. Yeah, so it does fit nicely. This car's never been hit in the front except a little baby bang on that corner under repair, but really great fitting grille. It's got these Lucas fog lamps. If you're in the market to restore a BJ-8, this is a super good candidate. Very good car. We put it up on the lift recently. Great under chassis, no structural issues or any weakness in the chassis anywhere. Little bit of tiny repair needed on this lower front fender, but these are the original rockers, perfect original door bottoms. Little bit of dogleg repair needed there, but not much. Really good door gaps on this car. A couple little dents and bruises. Back of the trunk lid needs a little bit of that typical rust repair, but a pretty reasonably good fitting trunk. As we're coming around here, you can see a few more little bangs and scrapes, but a pretty honest hollow body. You know, no filler on this car really. Another little repair needed there. This door's got a dent that could use straightening out, but all very easy, typical body work. But there's another example of these super good gaps. Pretty decent. But you know, if you walk around this car, tap all the panels, super nice hollow body on the car, and it's painted in that magnificent ice blue. Really good fit all around the front here, so you're not going to have any, you know, calamitous fit issues with the grille or the hood. Beautifully fitting. Under here, all lovely, straight, perfect shrouds, nice, clean rails there. You know, no bondo, no filler. Superb original badge. You can pop straight back onto a nice car. This is the rebuilt engine in it. Seller told us it had a rebuilt engine, and it absolutely does. We just started this up. We gravity fed some fuel into it, started on the button, super clean oil. I think it was the first time it was fired, but runs beautifully. 55-60 pounds oil pressure, which is on the button, and really good hood fit there, like I was saying. Original triplex windshield. The interior has seen better days, but it's all the original stuff here. Dashboard is complete, but it's missing the glove box with the lock, which are now available. The previous owner was doing a little bit of repairs on the floor, but this is basically it. There's not much rust going on with the rest of the car. It's basically that front kickboard, the toe board there, and a little bit up here, if I can show you. Yeah, they did a little bit of glassing there, so the same situation, but pretty good car underneath. Let me show you the trunk. It's got the gas tank just loosely sitting in here. Trunk floor has a little bit of peppering on the corners, but you could probably repair the trunk floor or just do a simple replacement. But you know, pretty good honest car, pretty good bone dry, clean stock. all these, it's even got the fold down shelf, which is a rare item. It does need seat bottoms. They've deteriorated with the foam, but it does have 2 pairs of the seat frames. But you know, all your top frame assembly with your moldings and wood, all that stuff looks good and savable. So this car restored is super good, spectacular, desirable. Mark III, this is what everyone wants. 150 horsepower, power brakes. This is the final year for the BJ-8, and this is definitely the best color for basically an easy, straightforward restoration, featuring a rebuilt engine that runs great. Car needs hydraulics to drive, but you could probably do a nice little body on the frame, panels on the chassis, rolling restoration on this one, and have yourself a really lovely Mark III in great colors. I'm just licking my chops. I'd love to restore this. I don't have time in life right now though. But yeah, there it is, 1967 Austin Healey 3000 BJ-8, and it's for sale right now on our website.